Hello, my name is Yuna Choi, and I will be talking about virtual reality as a newly emerging technology for education. Virtual reality is a virtual simulation of three-dimensional images or an environment with the use of technological equipment that makes the experience for the person seem real. Virtual, meaning near, and reality, meaning real, comes to the definition of near real for virtual reality. It uses sounds, visuals, and other senses to make the environment seem real. It can sometimes include the use of gloves with sensors and/or a helmet with a screen. We typically see virtual reality being used with goggles with a screen inside it as well. Virtual reality in education allows students to become and stay engaged when they are using it in their classrooms. When engagement increases, motivation increases as well. Students' entire attention will be within the simulation, and they will be completely engaged in the lesson. It also increases interest for students when they are using virtual reality in the classrooms. It can eliminate language barrier because any language can be implemented into the software. Students are also equipped to having better quality of education with the amazing visualizations that cannot be accessed in a classroom. Examples of how teachers can use virtual reality in the classrooms are using software like Google Expeditions. You can take your class on a virtual field trip anywhere in our world. For example, in my social studies class, we are studying about the Aztec culture. After learning about the Aztec culture, students can take a trip to Mexico to see the temples, the monuments, the palaces that were inspired and built by the Aztecs. Another way we could use virtual reality in the classrooms could be, after learning about natural and human-made features of the United States, students can actually go and take a virtual field trip to the actual features around the world. Not only will they be able to learn about it through videos and flip charts and lectures, but they can also experience it firsthand. Human-made features like the Golden Gate Bridge, the Washington Monument, and natural features like the Grand Canyon and the Florida Everglades. Being able to experience it firsthand would definitely allow students to remember what they learned, and it will leave a lasting impression than to just go through a flip chart or watch a video about certain topics. Although virtual reality can be very expensive, it can definitely be beneficial. And softwares like Google Expeditions are working hard to create ways to lessen the costs, like making the devices out of cardboard. Virtual reality can be the next big thing, and students and teachers could benefit from the use of virtual realities in the classroom.